Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over where do you place your detergent and softener in the LG Smart Washer top loader. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the LG Smart Washer top loader. Where does the actual detergent and the softener actually go? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So to simply put, go ahead and flip the lid open. Your detergent actually goes within this panel here. So if you pull this panel open, you have a spot for the softener, you have a spot for liquid detergent, and you have a spot for powdered detergent. Now keep note that you only want to place the softener in this panel here. If you do have a powdered softener, make sure you place that within the clothes that you see here. But there you have it, guys. Once you place your detergent and softener, go ahead and close it up. And that should be it. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain where do you place the softener and detergent in the LG Smart Washer top loader. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.